Alright, hey there friends, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. We're talking about Bbig. I swear I don't have a magic ball, but what I said I thought could happen is happening, at least one of the scenarios I went over here. So yesterday, not a lot going on. As I said, over the weekend when I made that video, the market was probably going to be trash this week due to the whole talks of the NATO, Finland, Putin's even more mad situation. So we've seen that bleed into the market this week. So Monday, not a lot came from Bbig like we expected. We talked about that. Now today, Tuesday, was a little bit of a trickster day because, we really didn't see a whole lot happen here today. Now today, after hours, and this is what we expected, Vinco Ventures later in the day is starting to take off here, which most of this is like aftermarket we're seeing right now, this run up. So as of right now with me making this video, and this is why I've made it so late because I was waiting to see how far this thing was going to run. We have broken a $3 mark here with Vinco Ventures closing into, post hours of the market here. So I think this is a pretty big clue. Obviously tomorrow is Wednesday. That is the day when we're supposed to hear more about what's going on with this deal. That's the closing date of everything that's going on with Tyde, all that situation. So a lot of people are, they bought in today, and obviously let's talk about what could happen tomorrow here. So I've talked to a lot of you with comments. I've seen a lot of comments. There's a lot of people. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I really do not watch anybody else with YouTube. The only people that I watch Jeremy. He's pretty much the OG of all this. And I watch a few of the guys that talk about news. So I really don't know what other people are projecting. I've seen a few of you write comments saying this person's saying that. That's great. That's grand. I just want to give you an honest situation of what I think could happen here, because everyone is tight on money right now, and I don't want to see anybody get ripped off. So I even had a friend message me today. I was talking back and forth with him, and I said, I would be very careful buying Vinco Ventures over a $3 mark right here, right now. So now that I said that, I know a lot of you are going, what are you talking about? Here is why I say that. Here's why I say that. So tomorrow, this looks like we are definitely going to be in a $3.50, $4 range. Who knows, $5 range, but I don't know that's going to be any more than that. Obviously, I hope I am terribly wrong. I hope this thing runs like crazy. But here's what I will say. If you are not in Vinco Ventures for a long run, I would be very careful buying this anywhere above like $3.20, $3.50, because probably by Friday, especially next Monday, we're going to be right back down into a $2.80, $2.60 zone. Because once we get this Tyde situation, taking place, that's where a lot of people are going to focus their money and time. So do I believe Vinco Ventures is a terrible company? I do not. I like Vinco Ventures. I've talked about that a lot. I'm very bullish on what they are and what they do. And they are kind of the godfather of, Lamoda, Tyde, all that situation. I can go on. But right now, a lot of people are buying Vinco Ventures for one reason. Because they want a piece of Tyde. That's what they want. I hope I am terribly wrong, and I hope this thing runs up tomorrow. I hope this whole, this big run happens. I know there's a lot of YouTubers projecting some insane numbers with this. I wish everyone the luck with that. I've got shares in Vinco Ventures, so obviously that would be good for all of us. But guys, with this overall market and the lack of support from the overall market, and just let's be honest here. Why are you buying Vinco Ventures right now? The majority of people buying Vinco Ventures right now are not to hold and be a long-term investor in. They're buying it because they want a piece of the hype right now, because they want to buy little, sell big. They want a piece of Tyde. That's really the main two reasons you're seeing volume right now. Other than that, this thing is probably going to sink back to a $2.50, $2.60 zone here in the next week. So that's why I say, if you're buying above a $3 range, be careful, friends. Be careful. So looking at this candlestick chart right now, obviously we're getting a ton of support. Look at this right here. This is pretty crazy right here. This is literally just a straight walk up, man. That is good right there. So obviously, like I said before, I think this is a telltale sign that tomorrow we're going to see big volume. We're going to see bigger numbers. Obviously, yes, if we see a massive amount of volume, a massive amount of buy-in come in, we could have some kind of ginormous squeeze, some kind of pop. But friends, it is going to take a lot of support, a lot of help. And I'm going to tell you this right now. Tomorrow is it. Tomorrow is the day. Because by Thursday, Friday afternoon, people are going to be selling this stuff faster than you can believe, trying to get it out of their hands and make what money they could. I believe the sharks are in here. They see chum in the water, and people are going to get stuck buying this at a rate where they're going to complain and be mad and leave very positive comments for me. So I have to play devil's advocate. I mean, do you really want to listen to someone on YouTube just tell you to buy something just because they think it's going to explode? I think it's very important to look at where we're at with the evidence of the market, what we see right in front of us. If you're buying Vinco Ventures for a long-term stock because you like the company as a growth company, yeah, go for it. But one thing we've seen in this market, growth companies right now in this market are getting hammered. From EV companies to technology companies to any kind of growth new company, they are getting destroyed right now. And Vinco Ventures is no exception to that situation right now. So friends, I think the proof is kind of, with us right now. I like where we're at. I think we're in a good position. I'm excited about tomorrow. I would be highly, highly shocked if we did not see this run at least into a $4 range. Could be wrong on both sides of that. It's so hard to project right now where things are going with this market. But with this running up into pre-market tonight, I think this is a telltale sign that we're going to see possibly easily a $3.50 to a $3.80. $4 is the organic run. Anything above $4 is obviously going to be a huge pop, a huge run, and it's going to be a massive amount of volume that has taken place to make this happen. So friends, leave me a comment. I'm sure you will. I really, guys, really, whether you're against me or what, if you're mad, you're happy, whatever, I get it. But at the end of it, I really just want to see everyone make money with this deal, with this situation. I just warn you, I've been here a long time with the Vinco Ventures. We've seen this play take place before. So just be careful how high you're buying Vinco Ventures. If this thing runs to $5 tomorrow, really ask yourself, should you be buying this for $5 a share? Really ask yourself that, because a lot of this is, people are wanting Tyde right now. That's what they're wanting. So friends, with all that said, I will talk to you tomorrow. I wish all of you the best of luck. Remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in the future of yours. Friends, I will talk to you very soon. Bye everyone.